Marston's is a brewer and pub retailing business. We have 6 breweries, we run around 1,500 pubs, and we distribute other people's beers for them, so we have a massive logistics business.
Our customers have to be at the heart of what we do. If they weren't coming to us time and time again, we wouldn't have a business, we wouldn't have a pub.
Knowing our customers better is a key challenge for Marston's. They're always evolving, and we need to be able to move our business in that direction and quickly capitalise on what they want. And so we embarked upon a process of gathering as much data as we can about our customers. And we needed a tool set that allowed us to really bring all that data into one place to allow us to then segment it and provide it to marketing teams.
What that allows us to do is get quite specific with our marketing. So whenever we're marketing and promoting to them directly, we can tailor and make sure we're not sending £1 off kids' meal to someone without children, or a come and watch the football to someone that's never shown any interest in sport before. So it really allows us to target down to suit their needs.
The real benefit of customer insights is that it keeps us within the Microsoft stack. So we can connect to Azure Machine Learning, we can connect to our Azure SQL servers, we can connect to Dynamics 365 for sales. They all talk to each other seamlessly.
What Customer Insights is giving us is that knowledge of the consumer, the people who actually go into the pub, buy beer, order food. It has really been revolutionary within Marston's, and it has allowed us to do things we just couldn't do before.
If we can take all of that data in, we know where people have been, we know what they've been drinking, we know what offers they've interacted with, we can start using machine learning to say, well, let's think about the next best conversation that we can have with that customer. And we can start presenting that using customer insights to our staff, so that when somebody comes in and they've booked a table, we can tell them about the offers that really make a difference to their business. Marston's has great history, and it's all about giving customers what they want. And what Microsoft allows us to do is keep up to date with our technology and really use that technology to bring a brilliant customer experience.